Hello everyone, welcome to Online Watch YouTube channel. So today's our topic is body language. Everyone in the market, everyone in the corporate, they used to say that you are supposed to maintain effective communication skills and very good body language. So here, so what do you mean or what do you understand by so good body language? See, body language in the sense, so all of our movements, so all of your appearance and all, the way you speak, the way you show your eye contact, all this comes under body language. So here, under body language, there are 5 aspects of body language. So 5 aspects. The first one is facial expressions, second one is eye contact, third one is gestures, fourth one is postures, and the last one is voice modulation. So when you face the audience, you are supposed to divide the audience into 3 types. Number 1 is well-educated people. So number 2, educated people. So number 3, just educated people. So well-educated means, so here all the distinguished personalities, chief guests and superiors, they come under well-educated people. So when you face the audience, so what happens, there can never be any problem with all these people. Then educated means all of your classmates, then your seniors, juniors, all these people come under educated people. They are very dangerous when you are facing the audience, when you are on the stage. Okay, be very careful. Then the third audience is just educated, the people behind the curtain. Third audience are just educated. The supporting staff, so people behind the curtain, they come under just educated. These 3 types of audience, so they have to focus on your presentation. They have to focus on your speaking. So when you are making a right body language, effective body language, so definitely these 3 types of people will be attracted to your speech. Then you can have effective communication. Then what happens is here, what do you understand with the first one, facial expressions. So smiling face always helps you. You need not to keep long face, because you are facing 3 types of audience. So try to be focused on smiling face, not laughing face. Laughing is different, smiling is different. My dear people, try to realize here, smiling face is always having positive waves and positive attitude. Okay, then the second one is eye contact. So the way you show your eye contact matters or impacts a lot. So based on your eye contact, the people nod your head. Based on your eye contact, people try to understand. You are supposed to grab the attention of the audience by having positive eye contact. So that is what the second one. The third one is gestures. What do you understand by gestures? Gestures means they are related to the way of using fingers, the way of using hands, the way of nodding head. Gestures related to all these. So then what happens is, you are not supposed to show any sort of single finger towards anyone. Never show like that. Okay. So that indicates a negative impact. Negative, that gives negative meaning. So that is why under gestures, the way of using fingers, the way of using hands, so they come under gestures. That is why be very careful in using your fingers and hands. For example, you stand up and give me the answer for the question. That is negative way of asking. Any one of you can come forward is positive way of asking. Okay, so don't show your hand towards any particular person. You are not supposed to hurt any sort of audience when you are giving any presentation, when you are speaking, when you are addressing. So that is why use proper gestures, so in front of the audience. Then the fourth one is postures, the position. So because it is formal and informal postures, the way you appear, the way you stand, the way you speak. You cannot stand like a statue or pillar. You are supposed to move, utilize properly all the stage. So that is what happens under postures. So your dressing, your appearance, your hairstyle, everything should match to your course and your designation. So that is why postures play crucial role. Society respects you based on your appearance. Society salutes you based on your, what we call the qualification, when it is matching to your appearance and all. So it comes under good manners. So that is why maintain so proper postures. Then the last one is voice modulation. Whatever you speak, people, they have to understand. So when there is miscommunication, more problems takes place. You need to speak well. You need to use proper sentences, proper language. Okay, so proper language or proper sentences in the sense, based on the qualifications of the audience, you are supposed to use so language. So by moduling your voice, so based on the audience, you are supposed to increase the sound. You cannot shout. So you are supposed to come forward with the apt language.